Hello everyone. Revenue operations are more complex than ever. Organizations need to manage quotes, orders, billing, and subscriptions efficiently, all while ensuring revenue processes are accurate, compliant, and scalable. That's why professionals who can design and implement Salesforce Revenue Cloud solutions are in high demand. The Salesforce Certified Revenue Cloud Consultant exam validates your ability to configure and optimize revenue processes, implement CPQ solutions, and ensure seamless billing and invoicing. In this video, we'll explore a few practice questions that resemble the types of scenarios you'll see on the exam, helping you strengthen your understanding of real-world revenue cloud challenges. Let's get started. Question 1. A Revenue Cloud consultant needs to display a list of products to be shown in the browse phase of a guided selling journey. Which product catalog management business API should the consultant use to retrieve a list of products that belong to a specific catalog? A. Products list. Get. B. Product-related records list. Post. C. Products list. Post. D. None. Answer. C. Products list post. Explanation. The Products List Post API is the correct choice for retrieving products from a specific catalog during guided selling in Revenue Cloud. Located at /connect/CPQ products, it accepts post requests with a JSON body, allowing complex filters like Catalog ID, Category ID, Pricebook ID, and Product Classification ID. Post is preferred over Get because it supports multiple filters, user context, and pricing/qualification flags, returning a paginated list with full product details. It also supports context definition and context mapping for proper guided selling workflows. Other options don't fit. Products List Get doesn't exist as a standard API. Product-related records list Post retrieves related records, not product lists. Thus, Products List Post is the documented API for product discovery during browsing. Question number 2. A product has a list price of US $15,000. An attribute-based price override of $12,000 is applied first, followed by a $1,000 bundle-based adjustment discount and a 10% manual discount at the end of the product sale. What will be the final price of the product shown in the net price column of the transaction line editor? A. $9,900. B. $9,500. C. $1,800. Answer. A. $9,900. Explanation. Comprehensive and detailed. From exact extract, calculation sequence. Original list price is $15,000. Attribute-based price override, price becomes $12,000. Bundle-based adjustment discount, $12,000 minus $1,000, $11,000. 10% manual discount on $11,000. 10% of $11,000 equals $1,100. $11,000 minus $1,100 equals $9,900. Therefore, the net price is $9,900. Revenue Lifecycle Management, Salesforce Pricing Guide, Pricing Element Order, and Net Price Calculation. Question 3. A solution is being designed for migrating a customer's install base to Revenue Cloud. The customer states that it is extremely critical for the install base to work fine in Revenue Cloud so that there is no business disruption, as a large part of their business is amendments and renewals. Apart from the product selling model, and price book, which other key objects should be included in the discovery to help design this migration? A. Asset, asset action, asset state period, asset action source. B. Asset, subscription, subscribed asset, order. C. Quote, quote line, order, order product. D. None. Answer. A. Asset, asset action, asset state period, asset action source. Explanation. For migrating an install base in Revenue Cloud with focus on amendments and renewals, the key objects are asset, asset action, asset state period, and asset action source. These form the foundation of Revenue Cloud's asset lifecycle management. Asset represents products, services a customer owns, including quantity, pricing, and contract links. Asset action tracks changes to assets, purchases, amendments, renewals, cancellations, creating a historical record. Asset state period captures time spans when an asset maintains the same quantity, amount, and MRR, crucial for accurate revenue recognition. Asset action source links asset changes back to the originating transaction, quote, or order, ensuring traceability. Other options are unsuitable. Legacy CPQ objects like subscription or subscribed asset aren't part of Revenue Cloud's model, and transactional objects don't track the asset lifecycle. These 4 objects specifically support amendment and renewal workflows, making them essential for migration and accurate asset management. Question number 4. A pricing administrator must provide a system discount based on certain characteristics of a product. The advanced training product is based on a product classification called training. Training has 5 attributes defined, each with yes or no options. The pricing administrator marks 3 attributes on advanced training as price impacting, and then updates attribute-based adjustments to finalize all requirements. How many records will this create in the attribute discount entries lookup table? A. 15, B. 8, C. 6, D. None. Answer C. 6. Explanation: comprehensive and detailed. From exact extract. For attribute-based adjustments, only attributes marked as price-impacting are considered. For each price-impacting attribute, with a yes-no option, Revenue Cloud expects 1 entry per value in the attribute discount entries table, e.g., 1 entry for yes and 1 for no. In this case, 3 price-impacting attributes, 2 values, yes-no, equals 6 attribute discount entries. Option B, 8, would correspond to 2 combinations of attributes evaluated together, which is not how attribute discount entries are structured in this context. Option A, 15, doesn't align with the described mechanism. Product Catalog Management and Pricing Guide, Attribute-Based Adjustments, and Attribute Discount Entries. Question 5. What should a consultant use to create renewal opportunities and quotes orders out of the box? A. Revenue Cloud subscription settings. B. Renewal flow templates. C. Managed Apex classes. D. Answer B. Renewal flow templates explanation. Renewal flow templates are the out-of-the-box solution in Revenue Cloud for automating renewal opportunities and quotes orders. These pre-built flows, like create and update renewal opportunities, automatically generate renewal opportunities when assets are created and keep them synchronized during amendments or cancellations. They use the initiate renewal invocable action to create renewal quotes or orders linked to opportunities, handling asset end dates, renewal amounts, and forecasting automatically. Other options are not suitable. Revenue Cloud subscription settings configure features but don't create renewals. Managed Apex classes require custom development and aren't out of the box. Thus, renewal flow templates provide a declarative, ready-to-use solution for renewal automation. Revenue Cloud implementations involve many moving parts: quoting, billing, subscriptions, and approvals, and the Salesforce Certified Revenue Cloud Consultant exam tests your ability to apply these concepts in real business scenarios. Working through practice questions like these helps you connect Salesforce features with business requirements and prepare for the decisions you'll need to make on the exam. To practice more questions like these, check out the link in the description for additional practice questions from CertBoosters. Subscribe to the channel for more Salesforce certification walkthroughs and exam-focused practice sessions. Good luck with your preparation and with learning Revenue Cloud in real-world environments.